Hello friends, in this video we are going to use the React Native Modal box with the help of the npm package that has a weekly downloads of 13335. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we are going to use this, so you need to install this npm package. After this you need you something you will get this one. So I have made this one. If you want that position center backdrop disable, so this is, you can see that this is a model. On the click on this, it will hide entry from the top. You can see that it will entry from the top, and if you can scroll this, it will basic model is it's coming. Disable, swipe to close, or you can swipe to close. Here it can close modal with keyword support. Okay, so you can add this over here, or you can close this. Okay, so this is how you can see that examples. Let's see what we have done. So step by step I'm going to add it. So I'm going to add this first one with the reference. So you can see that we have created a different modal function. Okay, so backdraw, just added the css over here like modal 4 modal, and the position accordingly we have added. You can handle, you can do the handling according to it. So you can just, this is basically enter from the top, you can see, and you can just click on it, enter from the top, and you can just drag drop, you can drag drop, and it's like this backdrop disable. So you can do this one also. Basic modal you have say, you can also create a close button. Swipe, only disable swipe. So I'm going to swipe it and it will close it. So you can use this model also if you want such kind of animations or something like this. Position bottom foot scroll view you want like this, you can also use this one. Okay, position from the backdrop slider if you want this one. If you want to add something like this, you can also use this one, right? So you can use this model if you want such kind of functionality. And here we have the, I have followed with the examples here. So this is the example of the React Native full-fledged, so you can use it and play with it. Okay, so any issue you are finding, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.